Hello, I'm Sunny. Welcome to Sunny M Design. Hope you all doing well today. Well, as you know, in the past I mentioned this channel is not just about DIY. It's about passion, creativity, resilience, and to make something truly special. Before getting to the video, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button below. This will help grow this channel and for me to be able to bring you new project in the future. Thank you. This video today is a tribute to my stepson Chris. His resilience he has shown, his power of love who has brought him back to life. Last February, Chris had 2 hours to live, but against all odds, he survived, but at a cost. He lost all 4 limbs. It was the hardest thing that anyone could ever imagine going through. Most of us would have given up, but Chris showed all of us true resilience looks like. With perseverance, determination, his drive to overcome this challenge, which did pay off 17 months later. Last weekend we witnessed a miracle. Chris walked down the aisle. Yes, I mean walked down the aisle. He married the love of his life, Princess. It was an emotional day for everyone there, but it's a proof that no matter what life throws at you, you can overcome. It's with determination, courage, and supports. Chris still faces challenges daily. The system doesn't provide the prosthetics he needs to live life to the fullest. He has to make do with what is given to him. My mission today, before I leave this world, is to help him get the prosthetics he deserves. To give him the tools he needs to live not just as a survivor, but as someone who can truly thrive. For me, woodworking and DIY are more than just hobbies. They are how I channel my energy, how I cope, and how I try to create something meaningful. Something that reflects the same strength and perseverance Chris has shown through this entire journey. So before I share the final updates with all of you, before I fully dive into what this channel is about, woodworking, DIY projects, and creativity. But know this, every project or piece I build is fueled by the inspiration I got from Chris. His story is proof that even in the darkest time, you can create something beautiful. Thank you for being here and for supporting us. If you want to follow along with my projects and join me on this journey, hit that subscribe button. I got a lot of exciting builds coming up. As always, you stay safe, you stay strong, be creative, keep building. God bless.